Hey, seventh grade, guess what? You can't see me. I'm kidding, because it's a camouflage shirt. Okay, so it's been a very long week, and I am, um, I don't know, I'm running on no sleep. So here we go. Let's just talk about these problems really quick, and and kind of go over what it is you need to think about with these. Again, whenever you open up Cami, which this is not currently in Cami, a lot of people have been trying to submit this directly from Cami. What you need to do is save it to your drive and then attach it from your drive to the Google Classroom assignment portal, and then that'll be fine. And so if we see how this works, is this going to work? Yes, it's going to work. Sometimes it does. Sometimes it does something weird. But if you go up here, I usually use the print button because it saves it to my drive from there, and you can print with annotations. You can save it, or you can download it to your Google Drive, and then you can upload it from there. All right, so back to the questions then, I guess, since we're already here. Trevor needs a new bicycle tire. Those are circles. His tire has a circumference of about this much. What is the diameter of his tire? Oh, dang. Remember how pi and how the whole formula work. And so if you think about it, if C equals pi d, then, and you're given the circumference, so you're given 112 equals 3.14 times d. That's a one-step equation. So there's nothing crazy going on here. Yes, I know it's not uploaded. Okay. All right. So there's nothing crazy going on here. And you can just divide as normal. Okay, so I gave you that one. My bad. Gene's frying pan is this much in diameter. What's the circumference of his frying pan? Okay, so that's very straightforward. Brad is putting up a 10-foot diameter circular flower garden in his yard. He'll put a plastic edging along the outside of the flower bed. How many feet of edging does he need? And so think to yourself, what does that mean? Am I looking for the area? Am I looking for how much mulch I need to cover up all the space? Am I looking for the distance around the flower bed? And so think about which circle word that means. Does it mean diameter? I don't know. All right. And then how many square feet of land are in his garden? So same thing going on up here. Round to the nearest tenths place. And that's the same thing that we did yesterday with the 1 decimal place. So there you go. With that, why that would be relevant is because maybe he does need mulch for his flowers. So, yeah, there you go. Kelsey bought a circular rug. It's got a blue border and a red circular center. Oh, what's the area of the blue border? And round to the nearest tenth place. I'm going to draw you guys a picture because I like pictures. In geometry, I always insist that, like in geometry topics, I always insist, oh dear, that's a square, my bad, that students do circles, or I'm sorry, do diagrams. I'm sorry, I'm trying to get the circle set up over here. Because that really, oh, it's a blue border. Okay, if only I could read. You know, whatever, my bad. Because that really helps visualize what's happening. And so this rug it's a circular rug, 12 feet in diameter. It's got blue around it. And then the core is red. And I just want to make that as close as possible, and then I'll center it properly. There we go. Okay. So that's the area that's happening. And so we want to know, what is the area of the blue border? And so this is very similar to what we did yesterday. Remember, we had the outer shape, and then we had to cut out the middle bit. And so this whole circle is blue, except for that little middle bit that is red. And so we would probably want to subtract some of those numbers so that we could figure out what all is blue. Okay. Macy measures a truck's tire mark for 1 complete revolution. That means, the entire way around. As 128.4 inches long. What is the diameter of the tower? Tower. Good gracious. Nope. Sorry, guys. I'm gonna turn this video off. I'm gonna go to bed and sleep, and hopefully I will be much more cognizant in the morning. But I cannot talk to save my life right now. Okay. What's the diameter of the tire? Okay. That's good things to know because that tells you the size of the tire. Like if you're going to the, what's it called? The Big O Tires or wherever you get your tires. And it has to do with the size of the tire that fits on your car. Mine's a 14. My brother's is a 15. There you go. All right. So you guys do these. There are 5 problems here. I pretty much did number 1 for you, except I didn't actually work the math out. So the rest of this, I'm pretty sure you guys got it. Have a great night, or have a great rest of the day, guys. We'll see you tomorrow.